Jay with J&L Video Postcards here, taking you through a walk through the Bowling Green in New York City, one of New York City's oldest parks, one of the oldest parks in the United States, actually. The park has been used as a public center since 1638, where it was originally used as a cattle market and then later as a parade ground. One of the reasons that this area has so much interest to me is that in 1770, the British government erected a 4,000-pound lead equestrian statue of King George in this area, and upon reading of the Declaration of Independence in 1776, Washington's troops rushed down Broadway and tore the statue down, later melting the lead statue into bullets. And there was some tests done in a theater of the Revolutionary War that actually matched the same lead to some of the remnants of what was left of this statue. A little down the ways, we come to the 9/11 Memorial, which I encourage everybody just to view and look at and visit in New York City if you're here. It's such a sacred ground. It's a very beautiful area. And just sit here for a few minutes and take in the sign. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for joining us.